Hello friend, welcome to our channel. Today we will solve value of x. There is an expression which we have to find out the value of x. So here we will see like how we can solve this equation and find the value of x. Before starting the video, please like and subscribe our channel so that you can learn these type of quizzes from our channel and uh, share with others so they can also learn from our video. So now start the find out this expression like this is solve for x. So here we have 2x plus 5 here and 3x minus 2, right? So here we have to first make a same thing in one side, another constant thing another side. So here we have 5. So we will see put 5 is here and minus 2 we will put here plus 2 and here 3x and here this sign have will be changed because we will shift another side. So here is 2 minus 2x. Now we have 5 plus 2 is 7 and 3x plus minus 2 is x. So this will 1x. So the value of x is here is 7. So this is the answer of this question. So the correct answer of this question is 7, not minus 7, not minus 3 or 3. So the correct answer of this question is 7. So I hope you understand how we can find very simple way the value of x. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more information and for more quizzes.